Hello, boys and girls. My name is Galicia the Globe, and today we are here to learn about an atlas. What is an atlas? An atlas is a book of maps or charts of Earth or a region of Earth that contains facts and histories. History that contains facts and history about a particular place or location. Now let's use the atlas. Let's take a look at the atlas. As you see, the atlas is split into parts where you can determine the whole globe that we look at, the spinning globe. Very similar, it's just broken down into sections. And today we are going to use the atlas to find information. Now let's talk about the atlas. We are going to focus in on certain continents on the atlas. And our first continent that we're going to talk about happens to make up about 30% of the world's land and area. Looking at the atlas, can you determine which continent it is? If you said the continent of Asia, you are correct. Good job, boys and girls. Moving right on. Which continent? Which ocean has the largest? Which ocean is the largest in area? If you said the Pacific Ocean, you are correct. Congratulations, boys and girls. And our next question. How many of the world's largest lakes are in North America? Take a look at the atlas and focus on the continent of North America. If you counted 8 lakes, you are correct. Congratulations. And one other question. What is the highest point in South America? Focus in on the continent of South America and look at the highest point. If you said Aconcagua, Argentina, you are correct. Good job, boys and girls. Another interesting fact that I learned by studying is that there are predictions of locations that will have a very large population of people by the year of 2025. One of those predictions is for Tokyo, Japan. Do you know that by the year of 2025, Tokyo, Japan will have 38,660,000,000 people. 38,660,000 people. And did you know that Delhi, India's prediction is to have 32,940,000 people by the year of 2025. Wow, boys and girls, that's a lot of people. Now let's talk about some abbreviations that you will see on your atlas. An abbreviation for the continent of Australia is AUSTR. Australia. An abbreviation for the location Croatia is CRO. And an abbreviation for the Dominican Republic is DOM, REP, REP. That represents the Dominican Republic. You'll also see for the word island or islands, an abbreviation for island is the letter I with a period after it. For islands, which is more than one and plural, you'll see capital I, S, period. period. If you're looking for lakes on the atlas, you may only see the letter L. That is the abbreviation for the word lake. And then for mountain or mountains, you may see MT period for mountain or mount and MTS for mountains. Another abbreviation you will see on an atlas for the word peninsula is PEN period. That represents peninsula. And for river, you will see the letter R with a period afterwards. If you are looking for the range, you are going to see capital R, lowercase a, period. That is the abbreviation for range. And for reservoir, the abbreviation is capital RES, period. Those are some abbreviations that you will see on the World Atlas. Something else you will see on the atlas is a compass arrow key. At the very top, you'll see the N letter, which represents north. Directly beside it, towards the right, you will see a NE. That represents northeast. And then down one step, which is in the center towards the right, you'll see the letter E. That represents east. And beside that, and we are moving counterclockwise, just like a clock, you'll see SE, which represents southeast. Below that, at the bottom, you'll see S, which represents south. And as you go up towards the left, you'll see SW, which represents southwest. W is beside it, going upward towards the left, which represents west. And then the next arrow you'll see is NW, which is northwest. You will see this key on a map, which will help you determine the particular location of a place. Friends, remember to use your atlas and the keys, and don't forget about those abbreviations. Thank you so much for stopping by and learning from me, Galicia the Globe. Have a wonderful day learning. Goodbye, boys and girls.